Hello everyone and welcome to our QR enabled tutorials, and with me today we've got our plate compactor, and this video is dedicated to ensure that you get the machine started, how to use it correctly, and of course what PPE you should be wearing whilst operating it. Let's get straight into it. So as you'll know, these plate compactors are really useful for a number of different tasks, especially when it comes to dealing with patios or compacting that hardcore ready to build on. To get these machines started, all we need to do is prep it ready to go. First, we'll put the start switch on, which you'll find on the front of the machine. Now, on the right-hand side of the compactor, you're going to find, firstly, your throttle. We need to make sure that this is set into the tortoise position. So when we start the engine, the machine isn't vibrating and moving anywhere without us in control. Next, we need to make sure that the choke is on, which will slide that all the way over to the left. And also we need to make sure that the fuel is turned on as well, which we pull that all the way over to the right. Now the machine is ready to get pull started, but first we need to make sure that we've got the correct PPE on, ready to go. For a plate compactor, we highly recommend that you wear safety boots, gloves, a dust mask, eye protection, and finally some hearing protection. Once you've got all your PPE on, we're now ready to get the machine started. Grasp the pull cord and give it a good tug. Don't worry if it doesn't start first time, it may take a couple of goes to get the machine started from cold. Once the machine is started, let it idle for about 10 to 15 seconds with the choke on, disengage the choke, and then when you're ready to compact, ramp up the throttle to full throttle to begin compacting. When you're finished, lower your revs to the turtle position and switch the machine off to the off position. This will cut the engine. When it comes to refueling, ensure that the machine is completely cooled down before removing the fuel cap. This plate compactor takes standard petrol only. Once refueled, ensure that the fuel cap is adequately locked before restarting the engine. When you finish using your whacker plate, you can close up the handle like this, and to help you lift it in and out of vehicles, there is a handlebar on either side of the compactor. Now it's really important that you remember that these machines are really heavy, so it's going to take more than one person to safely lift a machine like this. And there you go everyone, that is a complete guide on how to use one of our plate compactors available at WHC Hire. Thank you ever so much for joining me in this tutorial video. For more videos like this, please be sure to enter our vault that you'll find on our website. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and until the next tutorial, take care, bye bye for now.